CD4026 decimal counter. Required components. Let's get started. Here is the circuit schematic. Connect the first pin of the IC to the battery's negative terminal using a 4.7K resistor. Next, connect the second pin of the IC to the battery's negative terminal. Now, connect the third pin of the IC to the battery's positive terminal. Connect the eighth pin of the IC to the battery's negative terminal. Connect the positive leg of the capacitor to the IC's first pin, and the negative leg to the second pin. Connect the 15th pin of the IC to the battery's negative terminal with a 4.7K resistor. Connect the 16th pin of the IC to the battery's positive terminal. Place the 7-segment display on the breadboard. Connect the 8th pin of the 7-segment display to the battery's negative terminal through a 470L resistor. Place the buttons on the breadboard. Connect one leg of the buttons to the battery's positive terminal. Connect one leg of the button to the IC's first pin. Connect one leg of the other button to the IC's 15th pin. Connect the IC's 7th pin to the 10th pin of the 7-segment display. Connect the IC's 6th pin to the 9th pin of the 7-segment display. Connect the IC's 11th pin to the first pin of the 7-segment display. Connect the IC's 9th pin to the second pin of the 7-segment display. Connect the IC's 13th pin to the 4th pin of the 7-segment display. Connect the IC's 10th pin to the 7th pin of the 7-segment display. Connect the IC's 12th pin to the 6th pin of the 7-segment display. Finally, connect the battery, and it's complete.